In this video, we'll walk you through the simple process of uploading your files for accurate and timely legal transcription. Before you begin, check that your files are in one of our supported formats listed here. For multiple files from the same proceeding, you can combine them in a zip folder. To begin, click Order Legal Transcript at the top of your screen. Then simply drag and drop your files into the upload area, or browse to select them from your computer. Remember that each order produces just one transcript. If you need multiple transcripts from different recordings, you'll need to create separate orders. If your recording is split across multiple files, you can upload them together. We'll stitch them end to end in the order they're uploaded. For multi-channel audio files, we can also combine separate channels into one file. Next, select your proceeding type, add reference information, and attach any supporting materials. Then choose your service level and preferred delivery date. Our calendar will automatically show available dates with guaranteed delivery by 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time on the date you've chosen. Finally, review all details, select your payment method, add recipient emails if needed, and submit your order. And that's it. We make it easy for you to get the transcripts you need.